Hi guys, I'm at the start of the mission, the meeting point. I'm the only one here yet so far, but I'm always early. We're going deep behind enemy lines tonight. Yep. Could this be a bridge too far?
Enjoying the weather. It's nice to stick cooler. What's that then? Oh, he's got one of those flip doodads, Andrew.
Well, there's clue number one, guys. We're at Eurotunnel. We're going on the shuttle. That's right, the shuttle. We're going in a tunnel under the sea, for those of you that don't live here. And we've got a nice skyline, as you can see.
Empty propeller.
So there we have it. Well, we made it. This is Emden Airfield in northern Germany. This is where we came. We've come to get an aeroplane. We've been driving all night. It's a mission. It's an islander.
Yeah. If you look on the side, it says Britain Norman.
Ah, yes. Now, this is quite nice. 10 seats, twin engine, as I understand it. And this will end up going back to the UK. Here we have the inside. There's the cockpit. Look at that, there's the cockpit. It's got 10 seats. Look at that. It's a bit of a beast, isn't it? Cargo hatch, where you can put cargo. We have two copters now, so they must be just running them up. The doors are open. It's off the ground. The second one's joining it. Check this out, guys. There we have the tower. And the fire crew. We're going up to the tower. This is a real something that just doesn't happen every day.
Give us 6 months.
Well, we're off for a quick flight. As the engines are started, that's a good sign.
1325. Get it right. I promise this is a big place. Taking some of the shit off.
Okay, we're about to taxi to the runway now. Guys are getting a cockpit view. Look at that.
been the obstacle there, hasn't it, really?
Yeah, it's a bit fucking super painful. But then I suppose the wingspan if you correct it.
Yeah.
Bugger.
And we're doing a left to Alpha to the
Yeah.
south.
Yeah, we should
Do that, yeah.
put it with us up.
Yeah.
Yeah, but if it's a really bad smash, mate, then we won't be around.
Oh, no. Right,
Well, they say there's only one way to travel, private jet, private plane.
Your brakes check.
Okay, just my brakes on.
It's quite exciting.
Stop after this one here.
Yeah.
Do you want to just come left and just meet it slightly? Just a tiny bit, you can do that. Just keep our airflows just in case.
Yeah.
You come right past now, just 30 degrees or so, just keep the wheel in the gun. Potentially that's what you got. Straight concrete. Hang into the pocket. Right. When have we ever had each other?
Right, we're turning onto the runway now, guys, so I'll show you that. Let's do this shit. We're flying over Northern Germany. Nice straightforward, we'll be landing soon. Just a short flight. Well, we're coming in to land. I can see the runway up ahead. This will probably get a bit bumpy. Usually does. down. All in all, I like this Islander. It's comfortable and it's fun, but fuck me, that's a short runway. We're at the end of it. That's all that's left of it. I think that might be the shortest fucking runway.
Yeah.
It
I was doing dynamic braking.
is fucking
And I was
short.
looking at the other
You blink and you miss that bitch, I tell you. Have the pilot with his Boss t-shirt on. There you go, look at that. And now time for the return flight, guys. On the short runway. And we're off. This is one seriously short runway. guys, I woke up in the Netherlands. Didn't know where I was. We're now in Belgium. They only do two things in Belgium, don't they?
Waffles.
No, chocolate and paedophiles, and they only do chocolate for the kids. We're on the motorway.
What is this guy doing? Come on, get a bigger one. I thought it was going to narrow up because he was hesitating. I thought it's not going to be good. We're okay. We're good.
We're all good.
Yeah.
We're just passed into Belgium. This is the Antwerp Ring Road, the worst part of the journey. It's a proper mess. We're actually in Antwerp, it seems now, due to a diversion to get out of that shit.
We're now back into another.
We're in another bit of shit, but not as much. There's the tram. Last part of the video, guys, we're going home. We're at Euros Tunnel. See you back in the UK.